everyone, I am Janavel M. Escalanya, BS Criminology 1 from Section Bravo. This video for today is all about my job opportunities. My job chosen is MMDA Officer. What is MMDA Officer? This position is important to people because it includes the preparation of medium and long-term development plans, that the development in evaluation and packaging of projects, investment programming and coordination and monitoring plan program and project implement. The MMDA function as to performs planning, monitoring and coordinative functions, and in the process exercise regulatory and supervisory authority over the delivery of metro-wide services within Metro Manila without diminution of the autonomy of the local government units concerning purely local matter. It is great advantage to everyone because it secures safety to all people and serve as a better head to function in order to make process more productive and holistic. Sometimes it gives disadvantage because not all the time you're in a good place to react. There are people who didn't understand the process and make your life in a miserable aspect. Also, the environment itself might the reason of this disadvantage. How much salary of MMDA officer? Its salary isn't as a big yet can provide family it takes 11,000 pesos a month. This kind of work is difficult, but as a Filipino people we are hardworking wants to provide family. One of the ways for us to serve them back is to follow the right process they given. From this it is a big help from them after all to take their work go on smoothly and safely. MMDA scope of services, its functions and power. What is the scope of MMDA services? Metro-wide services under the jurisdiction of the MMDA are those services which have metro-wide impact and transcend local political boundaries or entail huge expenditures such that it would not be viable for a said services to be provided by the individual local government units or LGUs comprising Metropolitan Manila. The seven scope of mandated services shall include: number 1, development planning. Development planning, which includes the preparation of medium and long-term development plans. The development evaluation and packaging of projects, investment programming and coordinative and monitoring of plan, program and project implement. Number 2, transport and traffic management, which includes the formulation, coordination and monitoring of policies, standards, programs and projects to regionalize the existing transport or operations, infrastructure requirements, the use of thoroughfares and promotions of safe and convenient movement of persons and goods, provision for the mass transport system, and the institution of a system to regulate road users. Administration and implementation are of all traffic enforcement, operation, traffic engineering services, and traffic education programs, including the institution of a single ticketing system in Metro Manila. Number 3, solid waste disposal and management, which include formulation and implementation of policies, standards, programs, and projects for proper and sanitary waste disposal. It shall likewise include the establishment and operation of sanitary landfill and related facilities, and the implementation of other alternative programs intended to reduce, reuse, and recycle solid waste. Number 4. Flood control and sewerage management, which includes the formulation and implementation of policies, standards, programs, and projects for an integrated flood control, drainage, and sewerage system. 5. Urban renewal, zoning, and land use planning and shelter services, which includes the formulation, adoption, and implementation of policies, standards, rules and regulations, programs, and projects to rationalize and optimize urban land use and provide direction to urban growth and expansion. The rehabilitation and development of slum and blighted areas, the development of shelter and housing facilities, and the provision of necessary social services, their health and sanitation, urban protection, and pollution control, which include the formulation and implementation of policies, rules and regulations, standards, programs, and projects for the promotion of safeguarding of the health and sanitation of the region, and for the enhancement of ecological balance and the prevention, control, and abatement of environmental pollution. Last is public safety, which includes the formulation and implementation of programs and policies and procedures to achieve public safety, especially preparedness for preventive or rescue operations during times of calamities and disasters, such as conflagrations, earthquake, flood, and tidal waves, and coordination and mobilization of service resources and the implement of contingency plans for the rehabilitation and relief of operations in coordinative with national agencies concerned. That's all my video for my job opportunities. My job is MMDA officer. I hope you like it. Bye-bye.